This is Digital Electronics Labs. Today we are going to perform construction of simple arithmetic circuits, adder and subtractor, half and full using logic gates. You see, this is the theory. Half adder. The half adder adds two binary digits at a time. The outputs are carry and sum. You see, this is the combination. We have used a XOR gate and one AND gate. The inputs of the two inputs of the XOR gate will be two inputs, and the output of the XOR gate will be sum is equal to X XOR Y, and both the inputs of XOR gate and AND gate will be sorted, and output of AND gate is carry. Okay, so C is equal to X dot Y, and now this is for half adder, and this is full adder. The full adder circuit adds three binary numbers electronically, among which one binary number is treated as carry. This is the combination of the full adder circuit. Okay, here we have used two XOR gates and two AND gates and one OR gates. You see, these three are input X, Y, Z. Out of these three, first XOR gate inputs are 2 X and Y, and the outputs of this XOR gate will be the input of the second XOR gate, and another input of the second XOR gate will be the input, and this X and Y is sorted to this AND gate, and this Z and one of the inputs of this XOR gate is sorted to this AND gate, and both the output of two AND gate is the input of this XOR gate, and the output of this OR gate is the carry, which will be XY plus YZ plus ZX. Okay, this is the verification table. Now we are going to perform in the kit. You see, this is the circuit I have made here, which is for half adder circuit. I have used an XOR gate IC, which IC number is 7486, and this is the IC of AND gate, which is 7408 IC number. Okay, now you see, this is the VCC and this is ground. For both the IC I have connected the VCC and ground, and this is X and Y, which are two inputs, and this is the output, which is this is sum and this is carry. Okay, now we are going to check the truth table of half adder. You see, this is the truth table of half adder circuit. When both the inputs are 0, then sum and carry both will be 0. When inputs are 0, 1, then sum will be 1, carry will be 0. When inputs are 1, 0, then sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. When both the inputs are 1, then sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. Now we will check. You see, now both the inputs are 0, and you see, sum is also 0. Okay, this is sum and this is carry. You see, when both the inputs are 0, this is X and Y. If both the inputs are 0, then output is also 0. You see, sum is 0, carry is also 0. If one of the input is high, you see, if it is 1, 0, then sum is 0. You see, sum is 0, sum is high and carry is 0. If we exchange this input, you see, sum is 1, carry is 0. if both the inputs are high, then sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay. Now we are going to perform for full adder. This is the truth table for full adder. Here inputs are 3. When all the inputs are 0, then sum is 0 and carry is 0. When inputs are 0, 0, 1, then sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. When inputs are 0, 1, 0, then sum is 1, carry is 0. When inputs are 0, 1, 1, then sum is 0, carry is 1. When inputs are 1, 0, 0, then sum is 1, carry is 0. You see, you mind it, when out of these 3 inputs, when 2 inputs are high, then sum is 0. You see, when 2 inputs are high, sum is 0. When one of the input is high, then sum is 1. And when all the inputs are high, then also sum is 1 and carry is also 1. Okay. Now we are going to check. You see, I have made the circuit according to the circuit I have shown in the manual. This is the 7486 IC, and this is for AND gate, which is 7408 2 input AND gate, and this is the IC for OR gate, which is 7432. Okay. Likewise, we have connected the VCC. This is VCC and this is ground. I have connected for all the ICs. I have shorted the VCC pin for these 3 IC and ground pin also. And you see, these 3 are inputs X, Y, Z, and this is output, this is sum, and this is carry. Okay. Now we are going to verify the truth table. You see, when all the inputs are 0, this is X, Y, Z, I have selected all the inputs 0, then you see output is sum is 0 and carry is also 0. If one of this input is high, you see, one of this input is high, then sum is high. We will check one by one. If one of this input is high, then sum is high. You see, if one of the input is high, then sum is 1 and carry is 0. If we put 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, then sum is 1 and carry is 0. If we take 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, then sum is 1, carry is 0. If we take 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, then sum is 0 and carry is 1. If we take 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, then sum is 0 and carry is 1. If all the inputs are 1, then sum is 1 and carry is also 1. We are performing half subtractor. This is the circuit diagram for half subtractor. Here we have used one XOR gate, one AND gate, one NOT gate. Okay, this is the combination. Here inputs are 2 X and Y, and outputs are, this is difference and this is borrow. This is the verification table, and this is the circuit diagram of full subtractor. Here we have used 3 binary inputs and 2 XOR gate and 2 AND gate and 2 NOT gate and 1 OR gate. This is the output D, which is difference, and this is the borrow. This is the verification table. Okay. Now we are going to check the truth table. Okay, you see, this is the circuit diagram of half subtractor circuit. This is the IC of XOR gate, which is 7486, and this is for AND gate, which is 7408, and this is for NOT gate, okay, which is 7404. If we, you see, this is the truth table of half subtractor. If both the inputs are 0, then borrow is 0 and difference is also 0. If inputs are 0 1, then borrow and difference both will be 1, and if inputs are 1 1, then borrow and difference will be 0. You see, when both the inputs are 0, then output is also 0, okay. If inputs are 0 1, then output is 1 1, borrow is 1 and difference is also 1. If both the inputs are high, you see, if both the inputs are high, then borrow is 0 and difference is also 0. And this is the circuit diagram of half subtractor. Okay, you see, this is the truth table of full subtractor. Here inputs are 3. When all the inputs are 0, then borrow is 0 and difference is also 0. When inputs are 0 0 1, then borrow is 1 and difference is 1. When both all the inputs are high, then borrow and difference is also high. Now we are going to check the truth table. This is the circuit, you see. Here I have used one 7486 IC and one 7408, and this is for OR gate, which is 7432, and this is for NOT gate, which is 7404. Here this is X and this is 1 and this is Z, and this is the difference and this is borrow, okay. If all the inputs are 0, you see, all the inputs are 0, X, Y, Z, then difference is 0 and borrow is also 0, okay. Now if we keep Y is 1, if Y is 1, then difference is 1 and borrow is also 1. If Z is 1, this is Z, if Z is 1, then difference is 1, you see, difference is 1 and borrow is 0. If all the inputs are high, X, Y, Z high, then borrow is 1 and difference is also 1, okay. This is all about the experiment. Thank you.